Hi guys, welcome to technical drawing class. The topic is tangent or the tangent locus of a point. We'll be taking a quick example from crank. When you have a question like this, you have a crank OA revolves anticlockwise about O and moves to and fro along the horizontal line through O. Plot the locus of P if OA is 30 mm. AB is 95 mm and AP is 20 mm. Let's say you have the question like this and you are told to actually plot. They said it moves to and fro, which means it first moves this way and later it moves what? The other way. So let's go to solution. How are we going to solve this? Solution. How do you solve this? The first thing is that you take your measurement, 30 mm. That's it. And you divide this into equal parts. Sorry, that should not be there. Okay, now you use your set and this is your AO. So let me divide this line. So you divide this line into 12 equal parts. This is 4 equal parts. You can use by using your set square 30 and 60. So having done that, you label this point. It should be A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11. So that is what you do. Then the next step said plot. They said it revolves, said a crank revolves anti-clockwise about O and moves to and fro along the horizontal line through O. So it's through O they move to and fro. Plot a locus of P if OA is 30 mm. So you have to draw this line. They move through O. So you have to draw the line O outside. Good. So on this, you have to show said AB is 95 mm. AB is 95 mm. So, and AP is 20 mm. So you show AB, which is 95 mm, by coming here and picking 95. See, pick 95. To avoid zero error, you check with 10.5 to 1. Now, you come to this place, you hold it and you mark. For if AB is 95, then ABO will be 95. That's the first point. You show it 95. This is BO. The second point will start from A1 to B1. On the same line, you note it. This is B1. You can either join it by using a ruler immediately, now then you come back and cross-check your measurement because it might have shifted. That is why I prefer you marking all the points, then joining the lines. Do you see it has shifted? It has shifted, so you have to take it back. Take it back. Then you check for A2. A2, this is B2. You mark for B3. B3. You mark for B4. B4. You mark for B5. B5. You mark for B6. You are closer, right? B6. Then you mark for B7. You begin to see intersection. You see intersection? B7 and B5. B8 and B4. B8. B9 and B3. B3. B9 and B3. Oh, let me cross check. Yeah. B10 and B2. B11 and B1. Now you join all these points together with your ruler. Quickly, you join B1 to B2 with thin lines, not thick lines, thin lines. You just have to draw it so that you can see. That's why my line is a little bit thick, but you have to use thin lines. Thin lines. in A11 to B11. So having done that, you go back to your question. You have a total measure AP to be 20 mm. So you come back to your T-square, or you take your ruler and you measure 20 mm. That is 2 centimeters. So you start from A. You measure 20 mm. The first point, you note it. This is the first point. This should be your P. Your P naught. On A1, you measure AP1, P1. On A2, on line A2, you measure AP2, P2. On line A3, you measure AP3, P3. On line A4, you measure AP4, AP4, P4. And you come over on line A5, you measure AP5, P5. On line A6, you measure AP6, P6. On line A7, you measure AP7, P7. On line A8, you measure AP8, P8. On line A9, you cross check again. So it has checked. Okay, it's there. You measure AP9. This point is P9. On line A10, you measure AP10. This is P10. On line A11, you measure AP11. This is P11. Sorry, this is P10. There is a mistake there. This is P10. You've measured P9. This is the P9, the line of P9 that still moves over there. Still P9. You have to be careful that you don't make mistake. This is P9. So on line, this is A11. This point A11. So you cross check your A2. It's still correct. On line A11, you measure your P11. This will be P11. So you have this point, this point, this point. I have to tick in those points so that you can see them. This point. Yes, you have those points. So you have these points here. This point. You can see, or you use a star for them. I think that will be better. So now you see those stars. So you have to use your French curve to join those points together, or your flexible curve, anyone you have. So I want to use this. I want to use it to join these points together. Oh, Let me see what I can do. And do for this. There is something that can join this together. Okay, let me try this. I'm joining P7 to P8 and P8 to P9. If you have flexible curve, you can use them. Now you can see. So you can now show the direction of the. You can show the direction this way. Because it moves to, then it moves through, which means it means anti-clockwise, then it now moves back clockwise. That's the question. So I have come to the end of this class on crack diagram. So you have other assignments which you can check other questions and solve. So that is the end of this class for crank. Thanks.